Karma Guy here with this stunning 2003 Porsche Boxster Cabriolet. Only 33,000 miles, clean Carfax, original books, and dealer service history. It's dealer certified pre-owned with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty, plus a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade. We've completed all computer scans with no trouble codes or dash lights, so it's ready to roll. Note: price reductions will void the CPO status and warranty. Remember, poor quality lingers longer than a low price. Come see this Porsche today.